Meet the Pebble Flow. It's an electrified, semi-autonomous home, office, campsite on wheels, and it's unlike any other RV that you've ever seen. Pebble was founded and began development on the Flow back in 2022, and after coming out of incubation, it's now one of the newest kids on the electric vehicle block.
The idea came about 3 years ago when I took my first RV trip, like many people did during the pandemic. I really liked the experience, I loved the freedom, but I hated the product. And I knew there had to be a better way. Pebble is all about giving people all the freedom RVing has to offer, but none of the hassles.
That's Pebble founder and CEO Bing Yang explaining his idea to bring ease of use, efficiency, and convenience to the RV world using EV and robotics technology. Now, the heart of the Flow and the thing that makes it the most special is somewhere behind this wheel. That's where you'll find dual electric motors that allow electric assist when you're towing. That means that you get more MPGs when you're towing with a gasoline vehicle, but also better efficiency if you're pulling with an EV.
Right now, if you're towing with an electric vehicle, right, towing a travel trailer of this size means that you're gonna ask a lot of your battery and you'll quickly run into range anxiety. With the Pebble Flow, because of the EV battery, because of the electric motors on board, we have the dual motor active propulsion assist system that allow finally our user to be able to tow with an EV without draining your battery so fast. And you're not gonna run into range anxiety anymore.
The electric motors will also allow the Flow to move independently of its tow vehicle while unhitched at low speeds. Owners will be able to remotely control the trailer via a smartphone app to perfectly position the rig at a campsite or in their driveway. And with two motors able to move its two wheels independently and in opposite directions, the Pebble Flow promises to be highly and precisely maneuverable, pulling off tight tank turns at the touch of a button. Now, those electric motors are powered by a 45 kilowatt-hour battery pack that's recharged either via regenerative braking or by plugging into any EV charging station, including DC fast charging. There's also over a kilowatt of solar on the roof. Now, once you get to the campsite, you can use that battery to stay off the grid, powering everything in the cabin for up to a week. And when you get home, it doesn't just have to sit idle. You can use the solar and the battery to power your home or even charge your EV using bidirectional charging. The trailer's electric motors combined with the app and some sensor smarts can also be used to activate what Pebble calls its magic hitch. Here's Pebble CTO Stefan Solium explaining.
One of the biggest issues today when you are towing is how to hitch up the trailer to the vehicle. So you need to kind of align your vehicle, back it up, and that's very, very hard. And it's all physics, so it is not that it's hard for some people or the other. It's just a hard problem to do. With the Pebble Flow, you don't need to care about this. You just push a button and we have a robotics software that looks at the surroundings and it will hitch with your vehicle automatically.
The Flow also has a feature called Instant Camp Mode that deploys stabilizing legs and locks the wheels with electronic parking brakes for more stability while you're parked. It also deploys the stairs for easier access and tucks away the aerodynamic cowl for a better view out of its electrochromic windows. The Pebble Flow is expected to start shipping sometime in 2024. You can pre-order today with a refundable deposit on its $109,000 starting price. You can find links and more over on CNET.com.